guys, good morning. I know I'm wearing my green t-shirt again. This is my favorite t-shirt aside from the blue t-shirt that I have or that pink t-shirt. Yeah, paulit-ulit. Kasi I always tend to use shirts or any clothes na nasa harap lang because I don't like finding, or looking for another one. Except that if I really needed to wear something different. So, yeah, today is Sunday and it's raining and it's cold. I super like it. And ano ba, today Sunday and let's see if we are going to church today because it's really raining and umalis din sa Ruki, but if not, tomorrow na lang kami magsisimba. Monday na lang. Yun. It's already 12 na, guys. I slept late last night, like around 2 already because I finished my editing. I edited 2 videos yesterday. Yun. So yun nga. Yesterday I did not vlog because that would be ano ba yan? Why? Keep yourself together, okay? So yesterday, it's my break ano ba? Basta gusto kong magpahinga yesterday, yun. And yun, and Baba already ate her lunch and Sashi doesn't want to eat lunch yet. So ako muna, kasi gutom na ako. It's my first meal of the day. I usually eat at 12. Yeah, that's my first meal of the day. So, magluluto lang ako ng, although we still have nguyong from yesterday because we bought nguyong yesterday. But I wanted some tocino today. Although, gusto ko ng fish, but wala na kaming fish bukas na bibili. So, yan, magluluto muna ako ng tocino, guys. Okay? Para makakain na tayo. So, eto yun. We just marinated it ourselves kasi medyo, para makatipid naman, guys. You can do it. There are a lot of, or you can do tocino mix, readily used tocino mix, or you can do your own marination like sugar. Basta nasa internet naman yung mga recipes on how to make your own tocino. But for our tocino, because since I don't know, we usually do it. I just bought a tocino mix para ready na and added some pineapples juice and what else? Lemon, yeah, to flavor it. So yun, magluluto na ako, guys, kasi I'm so hungry already. So, I think, yan, mainit na yung oil natin, guys. And I'm just going to get, my gosh. Sorry, ito yung ginamit ko kasi wala yung isang tong eh. Yan. My gosh, I'm excited. Kamayin ko na lang. I need to use my hand kasi mahirap tanggalin, guys. Madikit sila. OMG. Yan, ito. So, get another one. Get another. I'm scared. going to be the last. And there. This is a spaghetti tongue. Smells so good, guys. Ito na yung kusina natin, guys. I'm just going to cook it mga 1 minute kasi I wanted it to be burned. Burned, diba? I wanted my tocino to be really well done. So, a few minutes or a second and it will be ready and we are going to eat. So, luto na yung tocino. So, I'm just gonna get some rice. Rice and soup, guys. Oops. So, mga ganito lang siguro kadami yung rice ko. Yeah. Let's add more. A little more. Mga ganyan. And I'm going to get suka. Puti. Sauce! Oh, meron pala kaming guys, buto ng langka. Buto ng langka, and I'm going to boil this later to eat it because this is delicious. Have you tried this one, guys? So, yeah, for those who tried, yeah, buto ng langka, diba? It's masarap. Ano ba yan? I feel so corny. So, for those who tried or haven't tried the seeds from the jackfruit fruit, so you better check it, guys. This is much tastier or delicious if you're going to, what's that? Ano ba yung, anong tawag nun? Yung, basta yung sa sa charcoal, yan. Lulutuin mo sa charcoal this one. So it's much tastier. So we used to do that before, and since I don't have any charcoal with me, so I'm just going to boil this one. Kain na tayo. Let's eat. So eto yung lunch ko na overall. The tocino. Yeah, it's not that red. I don't know. Maybe I did not put a lot of tocino mix, I guess, but it's tasty. That's what's important is. And so yeah, my water, we have water, and I'm drinking coffee today. I haven't drank coffee like for a straight week. Yeah, good for me. And yeah, this is Baba's leftover menudo, and I have my rice, and of course this one. So let's eat, guys. Why is it so So it's just the three of us here because Lululoy and Rookie they have business somewhere over the rainbow. And Anma, our mother, is sleeping. She's tired. She woke up early. She usually wakes up like 3. And yeah, she said, she's complaining, why is it that I always wake up like 3? She doesn't, yeah, I don't know, it's weird. Why we're talking? So that's why she's sleeping right now. And look at it, guys. Oh, you cannot see it. Wow, much better. It looks better in personal, really. It's not that, no ba? Don't touch it. It's not so yellow, but here it's yellow orange, and so out. So good. Wow, so serious, ate.
Black.
Want some? Want some? Baba eats jackfruit.
Ah!
It's just so messy. Today is Sunday. Kasi I'll just clear that out tomorrow. Because it's Monday. Baba liked the, she liked the jackfruit. Ba, there's a seed. Do you want to eat the seeds too?
No.
Do you eat the seeds?
No.
You should try the seeds. It's delicious. So I'm waiting for my what's that video to render. It's already rendering, and it starts to render like around 11:30, and it's quite a long video, so it takes a while to render. Yeah, I think it only needs like 30 minutes or an hour. Yeah. So we're just chilling and eat because it's so cold. Diba lang? See you later. Hey guys. So just finished rendering my videos. Hi girls. And I'm going to upload it now. Wow. Sorry for my destroyed earphone. I just love this one. This is from Elecom, and the sound this one is just freaking amazing. So ready to upload video, and I will be using cable today. It's because it's faster to upload videos. Like last night I uploaded a video, and it only took like 30 minutes for I don't know how many, like 15 or 20-minute video. So before I used to use the Wi-Fi only, but I realized that we have LAN cables, so it's better to use that one. And so it takes the time in uploading much lesser. So yay, so excited for that. So I'm gonna upload videos now, and there is Baba and Sashi.
Hello.
Bello.
What? Hi, girls.
See ya. So I'm gonna upload now, and I'm gonna show you what time exactly I'm starting. Okay, so here we go. I'm gonna click that, click open, and then starting time is 3:14. So yeah, it's uploading. Wow, see that? Ano lang, ihas lang. I don't know what's English and Tagalog for ihas, but yeah, usually it takes for 1% and 2% it takes like 30 minutes, but yeah, it's surprising. So yun nga, it's 3:14 kanina, diba? So I'm gonna check back later. It's processing na guys, and time check, diba? Ako lang na-excite kasi usually it takes days. Wow, search naman yan. Yeah, it took me a day to upload video, but as you can see, it's still 3:34 pa lang, and it's processing na. So processing done, and it's 3:56. Time check. Oh yeah, that's fast for me, and I need to upload my thumbnail, and I'm doing it right now. So yeah, I'm so happy with this internet connection, guys, honestly, because this is the fastest that it's been here in the Philippines. Yay, I'm so happy with that, so satisfied, and I cannot wait to upload a lot of videos. Thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up. Guys, tingnan niyo naman. Pinatay ni Ben yung puso. Oh my God, poor thing. I thought he was running with the rat, but pusa pala. Kaya pala may naririnig kami na yung ganyan. So bad talaga ni Ben, guys. Nagising si Tang. Yan, umiyak na si Tom. Hey everyone! Good morning! So excited! Excited ba? I don't know if I'm excited. Guess what? What day is today? Today is my birthday! Yeah. Oh my gosh. Another birthday. Another birthday. Guess how old I am. Guess how old I am, guys. If you ask me how old I am, well, my answer is going to be I'm fine, thank you. Yeah. Yeah, I'm getting older na, guys. I'm getting there. I don't know. Sometimes I always joke with my kids and with my mama, nila Ruki na I don't want to celebrate birthday. But because I know it just reminds me that I'm getting older and older again. So yeah, I know, um but when I was in Japan, I don't usually celebrate birthdays because usually we have work and stuff, and it's always me and Rookie. Whenever we don't have work or during rest days, that will be only the time that we could go out and eat. Usually, I don't celebrate that having a party, no, because I know I'm shy. Nahihiya ako, guys. But fortunately, my friends there always remembers my birthday, and sometimes they do give gifts on me, especially Annalyn. Oh my god, Annalyn, I miss you, Annalyn, and Lota, I miss you guys. And so yeah, I miss my friends there in Japan. Yeah. Sometimes um I want to go back there, but there's a part of me that wants to stay here too because of my kids. I don't know. Sometimes I do feel mixed emotions. So yun. So yun. Today is my birthday and I don't know what to have. Maybe we'll just buy cake, or yeah, because I really love cake. Cake is my favorite, and ice cream maybe. And lechon, 'di ba? Why not? So yun lang. Konting salo-salo lang. Not salo-salo really. Konting maybe dinner na with my close relatives like my cousin. Yeah, we'll just eat dinner like lechon. Lechon talaga, no? So yun, tsaka cake because I really love cake. It's my fave. And yeah, yun lang yun. So yay! Yay talaga, no? So yun lang. Yun yung agenda today. It's my birthday and I am turning. Oh, I cannot believe it. I'm turning. Guess what in the comment section, guys? How old I am, okay? So, yun lang. So, alis muna kami and I think we'll go to Santo Niño Church to hear Mass and magsisindi din ng kandila because that's our tradition as a Catholic and especially as a Filipino. So, yun lang. So, see you later, guys! Hi, guys! Since it's my birthday, mag-a-iron ako ng hair. Diba, Tit? For the first time. It's been a while since I ironed my hair. And hindi din maganda sa hair pag laging na-iron. Kaya pag may ano lang, occasion. Mother already bought a cake for me.
Ano palitan, mama?
Yeah. Yay! Straight na. Me at the back. Wala lang. Oh my god, I'm not used to having very straight hair like this. But yeah, bilis lang. Just a quick look at my bangs, guys. So long. Imagine. Hanggang dito na siya. It's past my chin already. Can't believe. Mabilis lang din naman, humaba yung hair ko, guys, because I don't use a lot of damaging stuff sa hair ko. Kaya, mabilis lang siya humaba. And, look how shiny it is! Yun lang. naging GGS. GGS. GGSS pala yun. Weird. So, yan. Hey, guys. Feeling like a tourist here at Magellan's Cross.
Feeling like a tourist.
Feeling like a tourist, you know? Papasok muna kami sa sa Magellan's
Tourist guide kami, tourist guide.
Yes. For mo, ma'am. Nandito na kami inside. Magellan's Cross. Then?
Yan.
Okay. Oh, where? I'm gonna put it first and then I... Hey guys, so nandito na kami sa school to fetch the kids and I didn't have the chance to film their store kasi we are in a hassle na, and like I said, we wanted to buy lechon baboy, lechon belly, but they don't have that one, so we went to another store and we also bought some chicken from NEQILLA and yeah, lechon from Metro. So yan, I'm so excited to eat. I wanna get one and try. Oh my god. To try the lechon. Oh, Baba's here already. You want to try lechon?
No.
They're so good. I'm excited. 36. Hey! People! Hi, sad mo oy para masikat mo sa YouTube. Hi! Hi ba? Mangaon na mi. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Dali ka, 1, 2, 3. Yay! One more time, Sharon. Happy birthday! Yes! Happy na tayo, guys!
Uy, buwag ka ng baso lang
Si ate na pizza.
Yata ni Kirailoy ka na, buwag ka na, madumang na.
Chachiyo, what about you? Eat now, pizza. Hey, bye. Astas baba ay. Wala si Anin, there lagi kanin. Ice cream time, ubos na yung cake. Adi! Hi, Di! Hi, ba? Ay, bye, te. Bruh, ice cream time na, oh. So, nakauwi na silang lahat. Everybody's gone home. And we finished it. We're done eating na. And it's 9:30 na din, guys. So, yay! My birthday is almost Almost ba? It's about to end na. So, yun. Ano, simpleng celebration lang with family. As always. So, mag-good night ako Mag-good night na ako, guys. And see you tomorrow. Good night! Good morning, guys. Nandito ako sa labahan namin ngayon. And I'm going to show you our chicken. We have a chicken. Yes. So there's our chicken. And I don't know if she is a she or he is a he. But she's shy. Let's just call her she. She's kinda shy. Hi, chicken. Chicken. It's not moving. Chicken. Chicken's quite shy, guys. So let's just leave the chicken alone. And I just wanted to show you chicken. Hello, everybody. Kain muna with mother dear. She's doing lumpia. Sama na yung expression eh. He's making lumpia. Babe, what's your ingredients for the lumpia?
Pork
Then,
with little papa, carrots,
and
onion, sili ba day? Ano sili? Atsal?
pepper. Bell pepper.
Red bell pepper,
And
carrots, and garlic. Garlic ka ng ahos, no?
yeah.
Garlic. With 4 egg, 4 egg there. 3 egg there, 3 eggs.
Depends on how many
Oh.
meat you have.
Mm.
And then,
No more.
mix.
Mix with sugar little. And I will wrap it.
sige daw. Demo for rap.
Wrap.
Demo, balik ka. So, just excuse my greasy hair, guys, and my shiny face. Just disregard my shiny face. I haven't taken a shower yet. But before I take a shower, I will just fold Baba's clothes because they are already very messy inside her cabinet. And she is having hard time finding something to wear. She's always asking me, where is my this and that? So, man, maingay sa labas. So, I'll just be sorting out her clothes. And then, after I'm done with everything, then I will be taking a shower, I guess. And it's nice to take a shower at night too, so that it will be refreshing to go to bed. You know that feeling when it is so hot and it's hard for you to go to bed. And yeah, yun. And that's why I wanted to take a shower at night so that I could sleep better. Yan, so I'll just start folding her clothes and sorting it out. Yeah. Hi guys! Good morning pala, I mean afternoon. Baba's here. No, you see me. We are here at 138 Mall fitting clothes. Diba? I'm gonna do a haul for this one. Oh, I'm excited! Kana straight. Sige na, pili na.
Hello Kitty.
Nandun sila.
Ka-pink ba?
Sanayin mo ba? Hindi, we're here sa Star Mall. Anong meron? We're going to Daiso.
Workshops and events. Organizer of fashion, Bill Rectora.
BeYouTyAndBeyond. Our BeYouTyAndBeyond.
wait for a round of applause, please.
Ma.
So kami ang mga okay. Judging. Musical attention of 50%. Showmanship of 30%.
Napako.
Costume of 10%.
Wala ate. Oh my God, napako po ato.
Daiso. 10% pa. Oh yes, may pa.
Daiso, Star Mom.
And then there's a total of 100%.
Here is the charger. Oh, smells good here. Oh, oh.
Oh my
So gosh. No, I like this one for it's good for decor. Wala lang.
No.
What's that ba? What that? Huh? Guys, haggard na. Look so haggard already.
Mas nice pa niya
What
siya
are you
na
looking
air.
for? That's yours, but you don't like that, diba?
Suha man na.
Dara, oo, bitaw, 88
Ate,
pesos
nawa.
lang. Oh, but we already
nawa.
bought sa 138.
Oh, morning.
What would you read? Oh, headphone. May pa this one na lang. Headphone. I don't know, we already bought. Wait, tapos na kami. We're done here at Star Mall. Go inside, day. Diri, day. Day, diri sa Picas. We're going home. We went to Daiso, but there's nothing nice there. So, we just bought ice cream and some other stuff. Yeah. And we are on our way home. Ang pangit naman ang resolution. Yeah, we're on our way home na. So, yan. Finally, we're going home. Sabi ni Baba, finally we're going home. But yeah, finally. We're so tired already. And we're so ready to go home and eat our ice cream. And I wanted to sleep. Yes, ice cream. Ice cream. Oh, bye. Star Mall. Where's Star Mall? There. There. They're doing the road again, but they took them forever to do this road. Only in the Philippines. Pose para sumikat.
Yeah.
What are you doing, ate? Ate. You cannot make it. Ate, butang ang imuhang cook. Kana ramang dip. Good, sige na. This is how you eat pan, ha? Kana again. This is how you eat pan. So, yung nabili ko from Daiso, guys, is ano lang. Ito lang. Oh. So hard to get. As usual, walang masyadong yeah. As usual, sige, Tagalog pala kada ko. As usual, there's no exciting things there. Like, so this is what I got. As usual, this antibacterial hand soap and cherry blossom and the other flavor variant or flavor is this one. It smells good, but we haven't tried this one yet, but I wanted to try it. It smells good. Yeah, the peach one. So that's all it that I got from Daiso, and we are going to eat ice cream because we bought ice cream, and of course our flavor is our current favorite flavored ice cream is from Selecta, which is the coffee crumble. Yeah. Delicioso. Okay. my gosh. Call center. Okay, draw. So, this is the end of this week's vlog, and I'm sorry that there's nothing very exciting in this week's vlog. I know.
Bye.
I'm just tired. Oh yeah.
Bye.
She's happy she solved the puzzle, but that's very easy ate. So, yun nga guys. It's the end of this week's vlog, and
Bye.
yeah. Bah, what are you talking? I'm gonna say goodbye early. It's still pretty early. You can see outside, it's still pretty, it's still not dark, but we just got home and we were so tired, and I'm gonna eat my ice cream. So yeah, I hope you've enjoyed this week's vlog, guys, and thank you so much for always tuning in, and I hope to see you on my next video. And always remember to be nice, be kind, and keep that smile. Gonna eat my ice cream now. Here it is. Peace, yo.